Have you ever wanted to add an image to a presentation or document, but it has the wrong background color? Don't panic. Today I'll show you 3 different ways to change or remove the background from any image using Snagit. If you want to follow along, there's a link for a free trial in the description. Let's get started. Easy way number 1. Use the fill tool. It's the one that looks like a paint bucket. You'll need to take a screenshot or open your image in the Snagit editor. Images that have a solid background color work best. To get your image into Snagit, click File, Open, then select your image. Or even easier, just drag it into the tray. With the fill tool selected, over in the tool properties, click on the drop-down to select the transparent option. Now, just click on the solid colors and they disappear. You may notice as you click, the fill tool selects too much or too little of your image. You can adjust this by moving the tolerance slider until you're happy with it. Easy way number 2, the magic wand tool.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Make sure the magic wand is selected, and then click on the part of your image you want removed. You can also hold down Shift to select multiple areas at once. Again, you can use the slider in the Properties panel to make adjustments. Make sure Transparent is selected, and when you're ready, press Delete on your keyboard and watch the magic happen. Avada Kedavra! Easy way number 3, the Selection tool. This one offers the most flexibility. Click on the Selection tool, then choose the Lasso option, and click on the Snap to Object button. Use your mouse to draw around the object you want to keep, and Snagit will automatically detect it. Before you hit delete, let's invert our selection. Open the Edit drop-down menu and enable Inverse Selection. This will allow Snagit to delete the background and not the object. Then, hit delete on your keyboard and you're done. Let us know in the comments which one of these methods is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more great magic. Thanks for watching.